Hello everyone, so I thought I'd do a very quick video on the update of this 2 flats to 6 bed all en suite. So let me just take you out the front so you've got a good feel where we are at. Hopefully it's not too shaky. My gimbal's just gone flat on me, so let's get outside. So we're coming outside the property here now. You can see the scaffolding's up, the front of the roof's been taken off, the back's been taken off, and the dorm has been installed. So let's go in, have a look. We've got a nice new door here, andesite grey outside, white inside. What we've done a bit different on this one, I see a lot of people doing it, grey woodwork, doors, door frames, arcs, skirts. So I'll take you around bedroom 1. So you walk in, you'll see a nice big bay window, which is here. You can see at the top, very nice. Same again, grey, it's over here. We've gone for a grey feature wall, grey woodwork, nice handles. I'll take you into the ensuite. There you go, lights in here, so let's go in. Nice shower tray, doors, mixer valves, nice shower head. There's a little sink to the smaller ensuite, nice size, and the toilet the opposite side. So as I always say, we tend to do central doors, shower on the right for example, toilet on the left, sink in the middle. That's bedroom 1. I'll take you through to the kitchen. Gone to the kitchen here now. What we've done is a wraparound kitchen on this side wall, all the way along the back with 2 ovens, hobs and extractors. Walking along all the way across, curves around, and 2 sink bowls. So I say 2 sinks, plenty of cupboards, plenty of work surface for cooking, meets all current regs. 2 sinks, 1 there and 1 here. So there's always that expansion, you're always looking for the next level. So this is a 6 bed all en suite. There could be a high chance of getting the 7th bedroom, and it meets the regs with 2 sinks, 2 ovens, 2 hobs, or a microwave oven. You're always forward planning. Let me go through to here. So that's the kitchen there. Close the door, self closes. Because over 3 stories, we've got all the red fire panel system in. What we've done in here to alleviate more space in the kitchen, put a worktop. There'll be a washer below, washer above, outside to the back. Same again, woodwork grey, grey feature walls. But what we have done, I don't know if anyone's got basements or got understairs, let me just take you in here. So what you can see normally, that'll be down to the basements. We've gone and fireboarded all that off, put a fire door on. We're going to put that for another worktop for 2 dryers. So dryers, washers, and on the back wall we could either put them here, 2 fridge freezers, or we can put them along this big wall. So that allows more space in the kitchen for the breakfast bar. I'm not sure if you saw that on the way through. So this is bedroom 2. Let me get in here. This is a nice sized bedroom. So this is where we have a lot of structural in here. So I don't know if you can remember the original video, roughly where that light is, there was a big chimney, and the chimney was here. So we took all the chimney out, we've had to dig down to put a footing in, a 1 metre square cube of footing, build this up in block, so block on edge, not upright, block on edge, all the way up. We've got steels coming across, you've got 4 steels, all the way across, and the opposite side, which is here, we've got the pad stones. And that was how the structural engineer wanted us to do it. It's allowed us to have a bigger open space. So from that door, originally it was a kitchen, a big space here, and then there was a bathroom at the back. We've gone and brought all the level, as you can see, that level has been brought up, so it meets the same level. and allowed us to put an ensuite at the back. So it's exactly the same as the rest of them. No lights, no second fixing here yet. So shower on my right, sink in the middle, the toilet on my left. So yeah, so same again, nice big open spaces. We've had full rewire, plastering, decorating, windows, roofs. There's been a full works on this job. This is a really big job. So here's the breakfast bar in the middle of the kitchen, the back of the kitchen. Big breakfast bar here, and there'll be a TV on the wall there. So looking really, really good. So let's go upstairs. If you've got any questions, do comment below. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe as well. Stay tuned. I do answer everybody's question. Even more great. Into bedroom 3, top of the stairs. One point I had done a video before, but always check when you're buying Victorian terraced houses, when you walk up the staircase, the bedroom at the back, roughly, this left hand side wall, party wall, take off a section of this. I've seen most properties we've done have had a crack down the wall. So always check that position. That's a good place to check. So let's go into here. Bedroom 3, it's literally, as you can imagine, stick and paste, always the same. Grey on the walls, so which is there. Ensuite, which is a big ensuite in here. Let me just get in and show you. Second fix is done in here, so tiled all the way around in this one. So there's the shower tray. Toilet next to the shower. Nice sink and a towel rad behind me. But you can see floor to ceiling, all tiled all the way around. Really nice size. So what I'll do, I'll turn the camera around now so you can see more front facing. I think you've seen enough of my face, but any questions, do comment below. So I'll turn the camera around, I'll show you from front facing. That's bedroom 3, bedroom 4 there. Originally, the doors are normally there. We moved the door from there to there, and the reason being, I'll show you now. It might be a bit dark in here, but this is the reason why we've moved. So if you can imagine, normally you walk in this bedroom there. That doesn't allow a lot of room to do anything in this door. Where would you put your bed? The ensuite, always at the end of the room. We couldn't put it where we are now because of the window. So all we've done is move the door to there. That's allowed a nice squared off edge. That allows us now to put a small double bed here. Always forward thinking. Radiator, wardrobe, set of drawers will be there. We've got the plug ready. We'll get a certain size set of drawers made. We can have lamps, they can have a laptop. Might even put a desk in there actually, but you can see forward planning always allows these great things. So a bit dark on this one, but same again. Sink, toilet, shower. I won't show you that, but what we do use, I don't know if you use this as well, these handles with a thumb turn lock on. Some people use the round handle, I've used them before. Some people use the coded, I've used them before, but I find these really well. Nice stylish handle, nice thumb turn. There will be a circle, a capping on there as well, just same as this. So for example, it's just a nice finish, it feels really high end. This is a few changes here. So this door, it was originally right there. We pull it forward. It doesn't feel like a lot, but that's an extra 1 square metre in the bedroom. That's a plug. There's a potential to put a little mini fridge in there. We'll see. So that's allowed that extra space. Then you come to this room. This is going to be a big, big room. I think it's 14 or 16 square metres. So you can literally see plug, plug. There will be the bed literally right there. Always forward plan your projects. So plug, plug, you know where the bed's going to go. You know where the drawers are going to go. People put the TVs on drawers, so you can literally see. Nice big bedroom, nice big ensuite. Ooh, there you go. As I said, sink, toilet, shower. Nice size. But yeah, so this is where a lot of the changes are happening now. Up in the loft, the front of the roof's been off and on, the dormer's been made. I'll show you up the stairs now. This is one of the problems. This is existing. We spoke to building control. They said it's fine. that doesn't need to be changed. We did costing just in case, a couple of stairs up, and then doing all the risers, because you've got to think about the rise and fall regulations as well. So let's take you upstairs, have a look. Oh. Alright. So this is where you can see all the changes have happened. That's the original line for the roof. They put the dormer on. As you can see, it's looking really good up here. This is the front that I was saying, it's already been taken off. It's back on now. It's been taken off, new felt, new battens. The joists have been extended. We put the insulation in. We've left a 50mm air gap behind. We've got to cross insulate and then plasterboard. Ceilings are really high. So what we've done here, we walk up the original staircase. Stand back. Bit of a turn. The fire doors here are open in. That gives you enough space so it doesn't like knock you down the stairs. This is where the door has been created here. That's the original. Oh, just even been cut off. That now has got storage. Look at the size of this. That's quite a big storage unit. Right. So yes, it's going to be cut off there. The ensuite is going to be put in this corner. We have a little bit of a corridor going down the back, and it's going to have a built-in wardrobe there.